Good morning children. I am your Ami ma'am and I am back again with the pre-number concept high-low. Today we will also do an activity related to the pre-number concept high-low and then I will show you the solution of the worksheet. So let's do the revision of pre-number concept high-low.
Now look at the first picture. Can you see a triangle? Yes, it is a mountain. And the next picture is of hill. Mountains are high and hills are low. पर्वत ऊंचाई पे होते हैं और पहाड़ी कम ऊंचाई पे होते हैं. An aeroplane is flying at high level and helicopter is at low level. Now look at these two pictures. The first picture. A bird is sitting on a bird grain feeder at high level. Bird grain feeder मतलब हम जिसमें पक्षी का अनाज भरते हैं या हम बोल सकते हैं कि जिसमें हम दाना भरते हैं उसे हम बर्ड ग्रेन फीडर बोलते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, अ बर्ड इज सिटिंग एट हाई लेवल एंड इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर सी द बर्ड इज ईटिंग ग्रेन्स ऑन द low level. See, it is on the ground. So first picture the bird is at high level and in second picture the bird is at low level. Now children, there are two monkeys. One monkey is at high level sitting on a branch of a tree and the other monkey is on the ground. So it is on a low level. आपको पता है मंकी को क्या बोलते हैं? हम मंकी को बंदर बोलते हैं. In this picture there are two wooden shelves and what can you see? On the top shelf you can see Lord Krishna and in the lower shelf you can see Lord Ganesh. So Lord Krishna is on high shelf and Lord Ganesh is on lower shelf. Now this is the picture of living room. Can you see? AC is at high level. It's above the sofa. And can you see the air cooler? Yes, it is at low level, that is it is on the floor. So can you see the difference between high and low? AC is at high level and cooler is at low level. Now in this picture, can you see a wall clock? See the picture of owl and it is a wall clock. So the wall clock is at high level and see yellow color alarm clock. It is on the table. So the alarm clock is at low level. Wall clock is at high level. Alarm clock is at low level. Now see the white color jeep is on higher shelf and the trophy is on lower shelf. An aeroplane is on higher shelf. An alarm clock is on lower shelf.
Now it's activity time. Now let's start an activity. This is H-I-G-H, high, L-O-W, low. So these are few cutouts and these are few wooden toys. We will make an activity using this. Now this is an aeroplane. These are two black birds This is a yellow bird. This is an owl. This is a smiling sun. This is dolphin. This is a tortoise. These are 1, 2, 3 different colorful fishes. This is a starfish and these are 2 clouds. Now this is a scenery. Okay. Now what can you see in this scene? You can see brown color mountains. You can see hills. Mountains को हम पर्वत भी बोलते हैं. Hills को हम पहाड़ी भी बोलते हैं. This is a tree. This is I have shown the water. Okay. So now we will start doing an activity. Mountains are high and hills are low. Now this is the sun. Now I am placing an aeroplane. Then I am placing a cloud. Then this is black color bird. Another bird is flying high up in the sky. And this is another cloud. Okay. Now cloud, sun, aeroplane, birds, another cloud. They all are at the higher level in the sky. So I will put high. H-I-G-H. High. Now I will place a yellow bird on the higher branch. This is an owl sitting on lower branch. Yellow bird is on higher branch and owl is on lower branch. So now I will put high over here and low over here. Now I will place a tortoise. Now I will place different fishes in water. Okay. This is dolphin. This is one more colorful fish. This is a starfish. Here we will put one more fish. And one more fish here. बच्चों आपको पता है फिश को हिंदी में हम मछली भी बोलते हैं. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी. Now children, can you see these all the fishes and everything are at low level. So we will put low over here. High, low, high, low, high, low. See, I have shown the bubbles in the water.
So now we have completed the activity. So children, enjoyed the activity? Yes, I'm sure you have enjoyed. And I'm sure you have understood the concept of high, low.
Now I will give you the solution of the worksheet.
Now this is the solution of first worksheet. In this worksheet you had to circle the things that are at high level and tick the things which are at low level. Now see, can you see 3 black color circles? Yes, I have marked the circle with black color to show the things which are at higher level. See, you can see the birds flying, you can see the hot air balloon, and you can see the sun high up in the sky. Now, see the lower portion. What can you see in the water? Yes, you can see octopus, you can see different types of fishes. So, I have done a red tick about the fishes which are at low level. In this worksheet, you had to color the birds purple which are on the higher branch and the snake with black color on the lower branch. So, see, I have colored two birds with purple color and a snake with black color.
Hope you have enjoyed the activity and the concept of high, low. Bye-bye.